Hello, good evening. It's been a crazy weekend for the both sides, yeah. And also on Monday, thankfully, they found a way to salvage the situation. So as we can see, Bitcoin is trading way higher than the last time we were recording the video. And here we can see a nice example of Ichimoku Cloud doing his job, yeah. So in this case, the last time I didn't tell you about the green part of the Ichimoku cloud, at least not enough, I suppose. So the green part of the Ichimoku cloud actually works as a cushion, as a pillow. So when we see Bitcoin trading here, for example, or whichever other asset, and we use the Ichimoku cloud on higher time frames, that is, yeah, we can see it going from that region all the way down, and you would say, ah, shit, it's gonna just drop. Yeah, of course it can, but we got a few obstacles, let's say, on the way. Good obstacles. So one being the level. So that's the level. We can see the price bouncing here and continuing, and also in this case the cloud. Okay, this is a daily chart, so we cannot say precisely the cloud is, until here 20,200, and our price of Bitcoin was 19,600. Yeah, it's almost $1,000 difference. But when looking at the higher time frames, we need to take into account the percentages. So from the whole drop that happened from up here until bottom, that was 21, 22%, yeah. So this little wick over here, from let's say here to here, that represents 2-3%. You even use 2-3% for a stop loss when you're positioning a trade. So you have to take this into account also when you're using Ichimoku cloud, if that is the indicator that you want to use. So as we said, Ichimoku cloud here working as a cushion, as a pillow, because it actually caught the Bitcoin, yeah, and pushed him back up, yeah, and it was a good push. Okay, more events were happening. The Fed came up with a solution for the banks, so the people weren't so scared anymore, and we could see the investors rushing back in. Because why? Last time we said it's a good price to buy Bitcoin. It's not over yet. Don't get me wrong. We can go lower from here, because now if we go to the higher time frames, yeah, this is a weekly time frame. So as I was saying, if we look on the higher time frames, which are very important, we can see that the whole Bitcoin at the moment, with its price, it's very well above. Sorry, it's very well below the Ichimoku cloud, and that is giving him a lot of pressure to the downside. So that is one thing, and the other thing, which is even more important at that time, it's the region of supply here. So here we can see how Bitcoin reacted the first time that it wanted to push through this region, yeah. So it was trading for a few weeks, 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks, not trading, but in these 4 weeks it tried to push with the price above this, and it failed, and we went lower. So that was in August. That was the first time that it tried to push through this region, and then again it tried in February, so less than a month ago, and now we are gonna try again. So that's how we need to take a look at these things. We cannot say, okay, Bitcoin made 20% and it's got a lot of power and they are printing money. Yeah, great, everything great. It might be the next gold, the digital gold, and the price is 35,000 tomorrow. but keep it level by level, and we gotta take over this resistance here, yeah. So this region. So now let's take a look at the lower time frames. Did the Bitcoin dip already? Because here as I see it on the lower time frames, yeah, so on 1 hour chart, I really see him dropping now. Yeah? I see Bitcoin trying to push here and here, and it failed, yeah, and another time here. So three times, yeah, three times it got denied. And also we can see it more clear on the RSI, on the relative strength index, which is a great indicator. It's a really good indicator that shows how strong the performance of the price was. And if you're using it together with the, of course, price action and the candlesticks, it's a really powerful tool. And let's check what we can see here. So as we said, this region over here, it was denied for now. On RSI, we can also see, here it tried to go higher, and also here it tried to go higher, and here also the, and here also, okay, so let's see what does the relative strength index say at the moment. So we can see the same as on the price with Bitcoin, yeah? It got denied here, RSC didn't go above here, yeah? So not above this region. Bitcoin tried to push here, got denied, also RSC didn't go higher. And here third time got denied, also RSC got denied. So what we are seeing the loss of power, yeah? Because first time it tried to push, second time tried to push, third time tried to push, denied. At one point it has to stop, it has to go back to retest. So as I see it now, in short time Bitcoin should go lower at least to test this region here. So okay, this is the Kijun, very important or very nice indicator if you like using it. I like it. More importantly, it's the region that it was previously working as a resistance, and now it's working as a support. So here we can see Bitcoin coming down to here. Maybe not even that much because it has a lot of power. We've seen these moves two times in 2 days. It pushed for 10%. That's a strong move for Bitcoin, and we have to take into account that it's acting very strongly at the moment. So it can maybe even just go to here to try and test this region. But I would say that it's gonna test Kijun because I like Kijun. So here, maybe mingle a little, wait for the Asian markets to open, and then push one more time to the supply zone, maybe even higher to get the stops, to get the people excited, and of course people are gonna jump into the trades. We are breaking the barrier. You can see Bitcoin trading up here for a few hours or maybe half a day, whatever, and then slamming back down. And this is the region that we were talking about. It's important. It's a strong supply region. So that means that people are waiting in that region to sell. Yeah, because many people were buying at these prices, and all the way here, yeah. And if we check, if you bought, let's say somewhere in the middle here on the first Bitcoin push, then waited for maybe a retest or just bought because you saw Bitcoin making a good progress, you bought it here. So yeah, you bought it here, and until now you have 10%. Maybe tomorrow even few percent more, or no, maybe this was the top. But 10% in a day or less than 2 days, if you were really trading and if you were paying attention to the market, you could make 20%, with some alts even more. and of course people are gonna sell. If not for else, I mean, take a look around what's going on in the world. Yeah, not the most sweet times, and people want to secure the profits. Yeah. Yes, so that would be my take on Bitcoin at the moment. A few more things. Okay, guys, this is my Twitter. Please, you are more than welcome to join. You can see my handle over here. We can share ideas, make a tribe and progress together. What I wanted to show you, yeah, just from my likes today, we can see a lot of bad information spreading, a lot of fear in the markets over the media. So Western aliens bank just fell below 1 billion market cap, and it was 5 billion last week. Guys, that's 4 billion in a week. Not good. Then we can see the stocks trading today. So 10 hours ago it was posted, yeah. Minus 75%, minus 67%, minus 35%. Really not good. All these events, and yeah, Fed came up with a solution. They're working with the regulators. They're gonna provide the liquidity needed for all the depositors to get their funds. Depositors under $250,000. Also today, it was posted on TechCrunch. Amazing site. Yeah, another 200 million got stolen. Please be careful, guys. It's really a wild west out here. It's all fun and games. It's very interesting, very good environment to be in good times. In bad times, in bear market, you really have to fight to stay in the space and to ignore all the bad news, all the drama, all the scammers. Yeah, a lot of scammers are also emerging in all the time. So yeah, be careful. And that's gonna be it for tonight, because I want to finish this video soon. Please join me, subscribe, and yeah, let's make the tribe big. Ciao.